What's going on, guys?
What's up, YouTube?
Dillon and Jason back here with you guys again for episode 9 Customs of the Week. We hope everybody had a really happy, safe 4th of July, and we hope you guys enjoyed that holiday smack dab in the middle of the week. We posted a really cool video earlier this week featuring an America-themed Roche where we restored a really old pair of Roches that just went through a lot of wear and tear. So we just showed a really cool way that you could make use of a really good old pair of shoes.
And yesterday we actually uploaded a new episode of Custom Cleat Chronicles featuring Scooter Jennett of the Cincinnati Reds. And by the way, this is episode 9 of 10, which next week we hope to just surprise you guys with something a little new
Season finale.
that we haven't done before. So keep an eye out for that. Also, if you guys are new to this is a weekly segment where we kind of discuss and show you guys our favorite customs of the week that we found on whether it's Angelus or another Instagram page that we think deserves that we think deserves a little bit more like light in the
There's so many people doing this and doing really incredible work, and we just want to bring a lot of these other artists to the forefront and show all the amazing work that's being done in this community that we're so heavily involved in. So without further ado, let's dive into today's episode. Alright, so first off, we have this set of Jordan 3 and 4 customs done in the Nike SB Uncle theme, done by Dank Customs. And man, these came out absolutely amazing. This is a little bit of recon work along with some painting, where obviously Dank went ahead and did the classic Uncle theme from the SBs on these two different pairs of Jordans. He did the recon work with the swishes on the Jordan 3s from what I can tell, along with a few other things. And this is just one of the best renditions that I've seen of somebody trying to replicate that print from the SBs.
Yeah, I also love the approach he went with the pictures. That was just, just clean, minimal, let the shoe speak for itself. Definitely looks like something I would even do, like with the second picture where the shoe's just floating there. So definitely just good job overall.
These are ones where you just let the artwork do the talking for sure.
So next up we have 4W Rick with the pair of low top Vans. He threw this sick Murakami artwork all over it. It looks really clean. I thought at first glance it looks like something that Murakami actually collabed on with Vans, and yeah,
it definitely has that look. It definitely has that look. And that Murakami print all over, super tedious, kind of in this monochromatic blue almost all the way throughout. I love how these came out, man. I love that Murakami print.
Yeah, the only thing I would suggest is maybe since Murakami is a studio artist, taking these and putting a white clean backdrop in the back and just letting the artwork speak for itself. That's what Murakami does. I think would have really added like a nice fancy, elegant touch to it.
I agree. That would go a long way for sure. And next up, we have a pair of Jordan 6s done in a New York Mets theme done by True Custom Sneakers. I think that this is just a really clean, simple team-themed pair of shoes. I really like dyeing the soles too. That's always a cool, neat touch. But this is just a really clean colorway, kind of with that off-white color all the way throughout with the monochromatic logos and then that baseball stitching print. I like how these came out really clean.
Yeah, also the graphic itself, I think he took his time with this, and just that goes a long way when you take your time, not just with the shoes but also with how you display it on your
presentation. Just as important.
That goes a long way. So good job on that. So next up on our list we have ZV Customs with a pair of paisley print Jordan 1s. Just up close looking at this, the design is really intricate. His attention to detail, everything is just done so well. His line work is really great too.
What's really cool to me, Jason, is like this color palette. It almost looks like that would be the color palette that you would wear like with the suit and whatnot. You know what I mean?
Definitely.
So obviously, like you said, attention to detail, the craftsmanship that is really required to pull this off.
The patience.
Yes, huge, great work. All right, and our final pair for the week, we have a Toy Story themed pair of slip-on Vans done by Shop GG Customs. Really awesome job with these. I love doing the sky print, filling the entire shoe, and then just doing the portrait work. Obviously on the toes here, really clean work with the portraits of Woody, Slinky, Buzz, and Rex. And obviously this whole photo set just really ties it in together. Yeah,
the concept obviously ties into Toy Story with the Legos and the crayons and whatnot. Anyone who sees this just feels all that nostalgia and just connects with you on
right away.
Right away. All right, so that's it for this week. Thank you guys for sitting with us on another episode of Customs of the Week. Make sure if you want to be on this show, use the hashtag Customs of the Week. For those of you who are already using it, we see you. We see the customs, so don't think we don't see you guys. We just try to get a nicer range of just different variety of shoes and customizers and just the overall designs.
It's a really awesome feeling seeing how people are taken to this series. People are constantly sending us work. So if you know somebody or you would like to be featured, like Jason said, make sure you're using hashtag Customs of the Week. Feel free to send us other people's work, your work in the DMs. We love finding new artists. super cool feeling because we keep telling you guys there's so many talented people out there doing this. So go ahead, give this video a like if you're enjoying this series. Final episode coming at you guys next week. That's going to be a good one.
Yep.
Make sure you give this video a like. Make sure to subscribe to the page, and we will see you guys in that next one.